Hello, viewers, and you're welcome to hymns recording of the Iwe Oremimo IOM. My name is Tobi Balogun. I am your organist for today. With me is Kenny, who is a very, very good soprano singer. She will be singing the hymns. Our hymn for today is IOM 4, and the name of the tune is Warrington. It's a common tune that a lot of churches use during divine services. I think it's very, very, very common around this part of the world. The tune has the meter 8888, which is a long meter, correct? Yes. Composed by R. Harrison. Pray as you listen, may you be richly blessed in Jesus' name. Please note that we'll be singing verse 1, verse 3, and the last verse.